Hey there folks, welcome back to my little channel. I want to talk to you today real quick about I got this idea that I wanted to take my front emblem off my car, off my 2019 rear-wheel drive Q50S Signature Edition. I like, and again, my garage is kind of limited on light, and outdoors it's really noisy. I live right off a very, very busy road, and now that Texas is back to operation as normal, or getting back to operation as normal with the virus, traffic is insane now once again. Okay, but my car has the chrome, and it's going to be kind of difficult to see, but I've got the chrome, and I've got some black chrome wheels. So I appreciate, and I'm different than a lot of people. I want to go with the flow with the chrome. These are actually like black chrome wheels. So I'm not against the chrome, so I'm going to leave the chrome, but the chrome on the black grill portion is what kind of, I'm just bored. You know, everyone's got extra time. I'm a contractor, so with this big chrome emblem around this kind of this grayish black, it just sticks out. You know, it's just a kind of a sore thumb that sticks out on that black grill. So I'm gonna do something with that black grill or the emblem to get it a little darker, and then reinstall that. But real quick, I didn't find a lot of videos on how to just remove that portion of that piece. I didn't know if I could even remove just that. I knew there was a way, but I didn't know how difficult it was, because Infiniti offers that glowing emblem that obviously you can swap those out, but I didn't know quite how difficult it was. So I went to YouTube and just tried to do a search, and there's 100 videos of how to try to remove your bumper and remove the whole entire grill, but not just a simple remove the emblem, and how difficult that was. So I'm sitting in my bedroom and I'm thinking, man, you know, wild hair at my butt. And I'm like, man, I'm gonna go out there and look at that, you know, because I didn't find really much on YouTube. There was one emblem removal, and it was like a 2008, 2007 G series Infiniti, and it was a completely different dash, completely different emblem to a degree. And so I was like, man, that's probably not the same as mine. So I went out here. So I'm just going to show you real quick how to do this. If you're interested and someone's looking just to remove their emblem and they don't want to pull their bumper and remove their grill that way. So obviously you just want to remove, and this is for the 2019, probably the 16 through the 2019, and my light in here again it's kind of dark. You're going to just remove all the push pins. You don't need to remove the two in the center portion, but just we're going to remove this portion, and these are your push pins right here, and you can easily do that. You can easily do that with a screwdriver, but I'd like to use a plastic dedicated tool to help just pop those up. And so once you pop all those up, then you just remove your grill. Remove the cover. And then that will give you access down into where you can get your arm. If I don't have super big arms, but that means that I could get my arm in there, but it was a struggle because there's not a lot of room, and you got to get your arm up in there. And this is a very sharp edge and a very sharp edge, and it'll dig into your arm real fast. But there you can see the emblem portion fits in front of that, And then the only really thing you need to remove is, let me just set a cloth down. Is on the back, and there are two little small screws. Two small screws that will go into right there, that'll screw in. So you've got to have a little small screwdriver, or you could have like maybe a little stubby screwdriver. Let's see where my screwdrivers are. So you could have like a little stubby screwdriver, and you could get in there. And then you can take the little screws out, and then the front portion, there's some little tabs. Let's see if we can see that. These little tabs right here that are different, and these tabs will flex, and then you got to pull those to the side outwards, and then you can remove the emblem. And this is what the little emblem looks like. So I'm going to paint that. I mean, okay, well, I'm not going to try to destroy mine by painting it with permanent paint. I'm looking at some different options, maybe some vinyl that I can put on there, because I don't want to. This is a shiny piano black polished plastic, and just to spray this with flat black or something, it's not my style. Just I want to match it as close to the grill color as I can, and I don't want to destroy this permanently, because this is probably $75 from Infiniti, and I don't want to, in a year be like, that's my job that I did is I'm not happy with it now. I want to go get another one, so I'm thinking about ahead in the future. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe I'll make another quick video when I finally decide what I'm going to do, but I'm thinking a black vinyl, put that on there and cut with a hot heat gun, shrink it on there, then cut around the edges, and then and it'll be a lot more similar to the shiny black surface, and look a little more professional than just a spray can. But yeah, so it's not difficult at all, very easy. So if someone just wants to remove this and they go to YouTube just to see how simple it is, then hopefully this video will be a resource. It was super easy. Again, it just comes off, two screws. These two screws, little small, very small screws, and then inside. And here's the good space to get your hand in through, but it'll dig into your arm, dig into your this. You can see right here. I mean, this was last night, and it'll mar up your arm pretty good. I actually had a rag wrapped around my arm so that it didn't cut in, because it would probably cut your arm. Those edges right here are just very, very sharp, and so you got to insert your arm in here, and then you got to move it around, and this will jack up your arm. So yeah, so there you go. So hopefully this video helps someone out, and that's thinking about just removing that. It's really easy. Thanks for tuning in. Hope this helps somebody here in the future, and have a good day.